Think crypto arbitrage is complicated? Not anymore. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to start crypto arbitrage in 2025, the easy way. No coding, no advanced trading, just a simple method to spot price differences between exchanges. Buy low, sell high. Lock in profits in minutes. This strategy works whether you're using $100 or $10,000, and it's beginner-friendly, scalable, and fully legal. Crypto arbitrage is when you buy a cryptocurrency at a lower price on one exchange, then sell it at a higher price on another, keeping the difference as profit. Example: ETH is $2,400 on KuCoin, but $2,450 on Binance. That's a $50 arbitrage gap. Now imagine doing that with a bot that works 24/7. That's where this gets interesting. To make this easy, you need three things. 2 trusted crypto exchanges, like Binance and OKX, a real-time arbitrage scanner, like arbitragescanner.io, a profit calculator or tracking sheet. These tools help you find opportunities fast, avoid bad trades, and keep your profit margins clean. I've listed the tools I recommend in the video description, all beginner-friendly. Not every price gap is a good deal. Here's the golden rule. Always subtract fees, network gas costs, and transfer time. If ETH is $2,400 on exchange A and $2,450 on exchange B, but it costs $30 to transfer and sell, that's only a $20 profit, not worth it. Use a simple spreadsheet or free calculator to verify actual profit before making a move. Manual trading is great for beginners, but in 2025, automation is king. Platforms like Bitsgap, CryptoHopper, Hummingbot can monitor price gaps across exchanges and execute trades in real time, even while you sleep. Start manual, learn the game, then automate. Here's your action plan. Start with $250. Pick 2 exchanges with low fees, use the scanner to track gaps, make your first trade manually, track results for a week, then explore automation tools. Track each trade like a business, because this is a business. Crypto arbitrage in 2025 is easier than ever, but only if you follow a system. Check the video description for all the recommended platforms, tools, and a free profit calculator to start smart. No guessing, no hype, just real profits, step by step. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're starting with $100 or more. I'll reply with tips to help you get going. More no-fluff crypto tutorials coming up. Stay sharp, stay profitable.